Let's dive into understanding write single quote java.net.unknownHostException. Write single quote in Android apps, its causes, and how to fix it. 1. This nasty error pops up when your Android app tries to connect to a network resource like a website or server, but can't find it. Think of it like trying to find a house without an address. Your app knows it wants to go somewhere, but doesn't know where that somewhere is. 2. A primary cause is incorrect hostnames or IP addresses. You might have mistyped the server's address in your code using google.com instead of www.google.com, for example, or using an outdated or incorrect IP address. Double-check your code meticulously. 3. Network connectivity problems are another common culprit. Is your device actually connected to the internet? Check your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. Even if connected, a poor signal or network outage can cause this error. Consider adding error handling to gracefully handle temporary network interruptions. 4. Firewall or proxy server issues can block your app's access. If your device is behind a firewall or proxy, ensure that it's configured to allow connections to the target server. If you're using a corporate network, contact your IT department to check for any restrictions. 5. DNS resolution failures are a key player. The domain name system, DNS, translates human-readable names like google.com into machine-readable IP addresses. If your device can't resolve the hostname to an IP address, maybe because the DNS server is down or misconfigured, you'll get this error. Try manually checking DNS resolution on your device, or if using a custom DNS, verify its configuration. 6. Issues with the server itself could be at play. If the server is down, overloaded, or otherwise unreachable, your app won't be able to connect, leading to the unknown host exception. This is often outside your control, but you can add retry mechanisms with exponential backoff in your app to handle temporary server outages. 7. Incorrect SSL certificates can also be a hidden cause. If you're connecting to a server using HTTPS, make sure its SSL certificate is valid and trusted by your device. Outdated or self-signed certificates can lead to connection failures. Inspect the server's certificate carefully. 8. Finally, emulator issues can surprisingly trigger this error. If you're testing your app on an Android emulator, ensure that the emulator's network settings are correctly configured and that it's connected to the internet. Sometimes restarting the emulator fixes this. Addressing these potential issues systematically by checking your code, network connectivity, DNS, server status, and device configurations should help you successfully resolve write single quote java.net.unknownHostException, write single quote, and get your Android app communicating smoothly. Remember to always handle network exceptions gracefully within your app to provide a better user experience.